Why is PayPal balance not showing? Hello guys, this is Atticus from App Hacks, and in today's video, we'll be discussing why PayPal is not showing your balance. So before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let's get started. So the first reason might be because you might not just have any balance on your PayPal. So that might be the most basic reason why you don't have any balance. So check it out first. And if you do have balance, you might want to check your internet connection. After you check your internet connection, just make sure that you have a really strong internet connection and that the internet is not the reason why your balance is not showing. And the other reason might be due to you are on a location or region that does not support PayPal. Now that is much more technical region, and yeah, make sure that you're on the location or region or country that supports and is PayPal regulated in that area. So these are the reasons why your PayPal balance might not be showing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped. If you are new to our channel, subscribe.